another James Bond film is being shot in Jamaica. Let's hear about other Bond films that were shot right here in Jamaica in this week's Wray Proud Moments.
Wray Proud Moments is brought to you by Wray and Nephew White Overproof Rum. Share the spirit. With news that the 25th James Bond film has begun production in Jamaica, it's an appropriate time to highlight Bond's affiliation with Jamaica over the years. In 1962, the first Bond film, Dr. No, was shot in Jamaica, and it featured Jamaican beauty queen Marguerite Loars and the late Reginald Carter. The 1973 Bond film, Live and Let Die, was also shot in Jamaica. Jamaican actress Grace Jones had a significant role in the 85 Bond film, A View to a Kill. The new Bond film, which is still untitled, features actresses Lashana Lynch and Naomi Harris, both of Jamaican parentage. Bond 25 is scheduled to open in theaters in April 2020. The production of the James Bond films and the worldwide attention that Jamaica has received over the years from the film's franchise is indeed a Wray Proud moment. Wray Proud Moments is brought to you by Wray and Nephew White Overproof Rum. Share the spirit.
Oh Mama by Ambi from St. Lucia is this week's Caribbean video.
Oh mama, aloha, come closer, give me one wine, oh girl, senorita, oh bonita, oh me want you, oh mama, give me one wine, oh girl, give me that one more wine, oh, give me that one more time, oh, all I want is one more wine, oh, give me that wine, give me that one more wine, oh, give me that one more time, oh, all I want is one more. No, give me that wine, give me that one more wine. I'll the way how you whine, it's tantalizing me. Girl, don't play with my mind, you hypnotizing me. Girl, why you whine and go down for me? That bumper taking all over me. Girl, why you whine and go down, whine and go down, whine and go down for me. Oh mama, aloha, come closer, give me one wine, oh girl, senorita, oh bonita. You, oh mama, give me one wine, oh girl, give me that one more wine, oh, give me that one more time, oh, all I want is one more wine, oh, give me that wine, give me that one more wine, oh, give me that one more time, oh, all I want is one more wine, oh, give me that wine, give me that one, just wine me one more wine, cause that alone can is me temperature, just give me one more wine. Cause that alone can is me temperature. Oh mama, aloha, come closer, give me one wine, oh girl, senorita, oh bonita, oh me want you, oh mama, give me one wine, oh girl, give me that one more wine, oh, give me that one more time, oh, all I want is one more wine, oh, give me that wine, give me that one more wine, oh, give me that one more time, oh, all I want is one more wine, oh, give me that wine, give me that one more wine. The way you moving those thighs, it mesmerizing me. By the look in your eyes, it take control of me.
Independent Girl, real #1 trending girl. That was the #1 song last week. Let's see if Shensia continues to hold the #1 spot on this week's Magnum Top 10 chart.
Anywhere me go, the girl them love me. Like a 4-leaf glove on me luck, yeah. And if me tell you how much girl you woulda judge me, just know say the thing well up, yeah.
But girl tell me say me well up. Good. Artist singing on the streets and now me say that. Good. Everything when me put on from Gucci to Louis Vuitton, Jimmy Choo, Italian, Balenciaga. I'll get on you, get your money longer. Ready, broke pocket now work. Straight from the narrow now, make no wrong turn. Get the cheddar, money maker any weather.
Rather they on a hillside, where nobody know there for time to. Rather they on a hillside, than there are people where
you just got down caps. They don't want to see no one cup. Can't take no tatay shop. They want me leap and ground, with my face down flat. Me have some place where me nah go back.
on a spliff, Glock 17 there with the rubber grip. You know a wild side, never fear nobody. Anywhere we go, fi boy with a new something to the P, I fi go panny.
Please, I and I smoke. I grade in on me medical report. Now stop smoke and me don't take a oath. Build up the earth.
On alien, na me on alien, so the boy can't style me. Na me on alien, yeah. Hey, my own.
say me ever begging, I know my style that. Put me Kyle to him out, me we flop that. Yeah, me have me when I'm money, yeah, me got that. Oh, 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 oh. And as me step in,
coffee come in like a rapture, and everybody get captured. Play sleep up like helicopter, when them see the lyrics contractor. Coffee come in like a rapture, and everybody get captured.
Mayfen, we were here. Thanks so much for having us. And thank you at home for watching. Until next time, I'm Chrissy. Walk good.
True to them dear ones, please stay true to them dear ones. Please stay true to them dear ones. No amount of money can't change man. No saying feel hard for just a human being, and it looks safer for just a alien. But please stay real with them dear ones. Just a praise and my brother them no feel man. Yeah.
We a top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we a shell down bars. Blast like a star with some gala overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
We a hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we a prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we a headline. We back, we talk, we own waistline. Cut the cart, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know hide with the Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. No, we cannot win a stock. Take charge, take charge. Magnum. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star them. Take charge.